guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY scrunchie. Let's get to it. The materials you need for this DIY scrunchie is a large shirt, a jar, a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, and finally a hair tie. Let's get started. The first step is to cut the rim of the shirt right here. Like so. After you've cut the rim of your shirt, you can throw that away because you won't be needing that anymore, and cut about 1 to 3 inches of your shirt. After you've cut about 1 to 3 inches of your shirt, you can put your shirt away because you won't be needing that anymore as well. And now flip it inside out, just like this, and get your scissors and cut it at the edge right here where your seam is. And do that exact same thing to the other side. Just like that. And you can pick which part of it you want. I'm choosing this one because it's a little bit bigger. So now that you have your piece, you can get your hot glue gun and hot glue each side of your shirt, and then get your other side and flip it on the hot glue and push down so that you have it both together. So now that you have your piece together, flip it inside out like this and put it over your jar, and then get your hairband, put it over the jar, pull your shirt up, hold it down, and then place your hairband in the middle like so. And do that same thing around your t-shirt, like that. Now you'll have something that looks like this, and then you can get your hot glue gun and hot glue the bottom. Just do like a line like that. And then you will get your top piece and place it down just like that, and just hold it for a couple seconds so it stays down. And repeat that same process around the entire jar. This is how your scrunchie should look after you've hot glued both of the sides down, just like this. And then you can take off your scrunchie and stretch it around like this. And then you can just put it down, and then there you have your scrunchie. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!